So I am doing, guys, a cuckoo and callaloo pie. Yes! Onions in a pan, sauteing, and I am adding very sliced up callaloo bush, the leaves, as well as the stems. Exactly what you'd have done if you're making callaloo itself with the bhaji. As I told you, we are moving away from tradition. We are putting a twist on tradition today. And yeah, saute this down. I just want to season this up as it is here now. Some salt and some pepper. That's black pepper. And yeah, I'm gonna add some pepper flakes. As it's boiling down like bhaji, I am gonna add a cup of coconut milk. 1 cup of coconut milk going straight in there. Yeah. This is gonna take about 8 to 10 minutes. I really just want a nice callaloo dashin bush bhaji full with coconut flavor. While this is happening, I'm going to work on my cuckoo, my cornmeal mixture. In this pot, I have some coconut milk, some butter, and very basic seasonings. I really just have some salt and pepper and season it up nicely. But main ingredients, coconut milk and butter. Bringing that to a boil, you're seeing the milk and butter mixture boiling up nicely. Yeah, my callaloo bush bhaji is ready. So this, I can probably just take off the fire here now on this and just allow this to sit. And I bring together my cornmeal, my cuckoo. So different measurements for different types of cuckoo, but I really want this instant. 2.5 cups of cuckoo. And you stir and bring the mixture together. It comes in very quickly. Take the heat off. Once that comes in like that, guys, you add the callaloo dashin bush bhaji and fold that in. And fold the callaloo and the cuckoo in. Yeah, once you feel it's properly incorporated at this stage, you have a greased dish and you take the mixture and pour it into your greased dish. Just like that. Make sure you spread it right out. And according to the recipe, you bake in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. It's a callaloo and cornmeal pie. A marriage made in heaven. A union that will last forever.